This tajdeed sign is basically a joining sign. Okay, both are joining sign. Okay, but what is the difference in both the signs? Okay, both are joining sign, but what is the difference in both the signs? In this, we join the first letter. Let's suppose the first letter is Aleph. Okay, and the letter here is Noon, and you are watching this Sakin sign on Noon. Okay, so you will join the first letter with this second letter in this Sakin sign. Okay, but if the condition is different, you are watching a same alphabet, but you are now watching a second sign. You are not watching a C sign, you are watching a W sign. Okay, Tajdeed sign on a letter. So what does Tajdeed means? Tajdeed means that whenever a letter has Tajdeed sign, first look here, whenever a letter has Tajdeed sign, let's suppose Tajdeed Noon has a Tajdeed sign. That means there are two Noon inside. Okay, how we write in English? Let's suppose a word school, school, right? Or sleep, sleep. We use two letters, right? We use two letters, right? But in Arabic, they combine two letters into one. They merge two letters into one, and rather than writing two letters like we see in English language, rather than writing two letters together, they do not prefer to write this way. They write this way. They write one letter and they put a W sign on it. This W sign shows us that basically there are two noon inside. Is this clear to all of you? Just unmute your mic and please tell me. Is this clear to
Yes.
all of you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes.
So now you know that Sakin sign has only one letter, but this is also a joining sign. But Sakin sign has only one letter inside. But in W sign, the Tajdeed letter has basically two letters inside. Okay, there are double letter inside, and they are not writing in this way, but they are writing in this way. So first clear this concept, and then try to understand this. Now, if you are watching a Tajdeed sign on any letter, so first you will join the Tajdeed sign with the previous letter, same as you do in Sakin sign. But in Sakin sign, there was only one letter, right? But in Tajdeed sign, now you know that there are two letters. So basically, there are, if there is one letter here, so basically you are joining this letter with this, and this is again is still there, right? Because this W sign is showing there is one more known here. Okay, so you will check what is up or down, what another sign you are watching. One you will join, and another you will read it separate. Okay, like you will read Hamza, Noon, Fatha, and this is joining first time. And then the second time, the second Noon, you will read Noon, Fatha, Na. So you can understand this in this way. Okay, let me erase this. Okay, let's suppose Noon, Alif, and the sign, and a Fatha. Okay, and a Fatha here. What does it mean? It means you have to join Aleph with this Noon first. Okay. You are joining this Aleph with this Noon. And then you can consider a C sign on this, that you are joining Aleph with this Noon here. And then as Tajdeed is showing, there is one more Noon inside. Okay. So what you will do, there will be one more Noon here, which you will read separately with this Fatha sign. Okay, with this Fatha sign. Okay, so basically when you are joining this Hamza with this Noon, this is the case, and then you are reading this Noon and one more time, because I have seen so many students skipping the second part. Okay, so the concept is not clear, that's why they sometimes confuse and they skip reading the second time. Okay, so the second time when you will read, this is with Fatha. Okay, so this is this is a clear concept about this. But now, okay, first tell me, is this clear to all of you? Unmute your mic quickly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Now there are some conditions of tajdeed. Okay, there are some conditions of reading tajdeed. When tajdeed comes alone, this is first case how to read it. Okay, sometimes tajdeed comes with tajdeed sign, like one letter has tajdeed sign and the last letter beside tajdeed is again a tajdeed sign. So the way of reading is little different. Okay, and sometime in some cases a mud sign comes, and we all know mud we stretch 2 to 3 finger if a small mud, or 3 to 5 finger if it's a big mud. Okay, and a tajdeed sign next beside the mud. So the way of reading is little different. Okay, so there are few categories, or you can say few ways of reading this tajdeed sign, which is very very important to understand, because the one who read the Quran without without understanding clear tajweed rules, they cannot do a clear difference between this tajweed sign, double tajweed, or when a mud sign comes with tajweed. So this is very important. Okay, so these are few things which I cannot explain when Ushba class is here. Okay, so let's check this. Oh yeah, one more thing, and that is how we read 4 case. How we read when sakin comes with tajdeed sign. When sakin comes with tajdeed sign. So most of the time in the lesson I have explained this, when sakin come with tajdeed sign, how do we read, right? And normally the first type how to read tajdeed sign. Okay. Hmm. Okay, Anisa, I'm writing the book name and I'm giving you the link. Just give me a second. Okay, so you can. Okay, just ask me after class. Okay, let me finish this and then ask me about the book after class, or you can ask Anamanti so she can copy paste the link of the book. Or if anyone can just send on chat the Hadith book link. Okay, so she can save it. Okay, inshallah. She's saying she doesn't have it. So you are doing Hadith number 5. Inshallah, someone will share the link of the book. Okay, so please, someone share the link of the book. Okay. Okay, so this Tajdeed sign, and what I said to you all, that first we learn how to read a Tajdeed letter, then we learn in second type how when double Tajdeed comes side by side, how to read it, when Tajdeed comes with mud sign, how to read it, and when Tajdeed comes with Sakin sign, what is the way of reading. Okay, so these are the 4 ways of reading. So I am just okay. So this is a Tajdeed lesson. Okay, and one more thing. Yeah, one more thing. When I'm flipping the page, it's remind me. Oh, this is also left. Okay, one more thing. That is number 5 that we learn how to read when Tajdeed comes on noon and meme, because the way of reading is normally little different as compared to other letters when we see Tajdeed sign. Okay, so inshallah from tomorrow we will start learning these 5 things. Okay, so take a screenshot if you want, and just keep this in mind. There are 3, 4, 5 ways to understand how to read the Tajdeed. Okay, how what is the basic difference. It's a very it's not a very big difference like you need to learn from the scratch, but you should keep in mind. So I will go through with this day by day, one at a time. So inshallah, it will be very, very helpful when you will be reading in Quran and when you will be applying in Quran. Okay, inshallah. So I'll show you just today that this is a simple tajdeed which we will do. Okay, and then we will do noon and meme letter when tajdeed comes on noon and meme letter. Okay, We will do a few examples, then we will do Tajdeed letter when it comes with sukoon sign. Okay, Tajdeed and Sakin sign when it comes together, how to read it. There are a few examples. Then Tajdeed letter with Tajdeed letter. When we will see double Tajdeed letter, how to read it. Okay, and then we will read inshallah Mat comes with Tajdeed letter, how to read it. And then that's it. Okay, inshallah. So inshallah we will practice this. Now tell me, is this clear to all of you? Any questions so far, whatever you have learned? No? Yes? Clear
Yes.
to all of you?
Clear, yeah.
Okay, thumbs up, thumbs down, something.
نازع والنازعات غرقا والناشطات نشطا والسابحات سبحا.
Very good, mashallah. Zaina. Okay, take your turns quickly, okay?
Okay. فالسابقات سبقا فالمدبرات أمرا يوم ترجف الراجفة.
Okay, lower your hand. So the next person will be in front
Also,
of
I
you.
need to
Okay?
say
Yeah, Shamil.
ثبت الرادفة قلوب يومئذ واجفة أبصارها خاشعة.
Okay, Nabiha.
يقولون أئنا لمردودون في الحافرة أإذا كنا عظاما
كنا ألف مدة.
كنا عظاما ناخرة
عظاما نون مشدد.
عظاما ناخرة.
Very good. Okay, Rahim.
قالوا تلك إذا كرة خاسرة فإنما هي زجرة واحدة
No, not we.
واحدة فإذا هم بالساهرة.
Good job, Rania.
هل أتاك حديث موسى إذ ناداه ربه بالواد المقدس طوى.
One more line.
اذهب إلى فرعون إنه طغى.
Very good, Kamil.
فقل هل لك إلى أن تزكى وأهديك إلى ربك فتخشى.
One more ayah.
Okay. فأراه الآيات الكبرى.
This is haircut. We will not stretch it.
آيات الكبرى.
Ayah, yeah, you are stretching it.
آيات الكبرى.
Farah.
فكذب وعصى ثم أدبر يسعى فحشر فنادى.
Okay, read till here.
Okay. وقال أنا ربكم الأعلى فأخذه الله نكال الآخرة والأولى.
Very good. Anyone left? Zara? Zara, are you there?
Sorry, my Wi-Fi went out. Could you just tell me where we are?
Read from here.
Oh.
I cannot hear you.
Oh, can you hear me now?
Yes.
إن في ذلك لعبرة
لعب.
لعبرة
لعبرة
عبرة
لمن
لمن يخشى
one more ayah.
أأنتم أشد خلقا أم السماء بناها
One more ayah.
رفع سمكها فسواها.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. So I'm sending you in a breakout room, practice your lesson, and inshallah, you all can then leave from there. Okay, inshallah. Okay, so I'm sending you to Anamanti class. I don't know, they are here. Yeah, they were not. Let me check. Oh, they left. Yeah, you can go to practice class. Kamil, Mahween, Nabiha, Rahim, Rania, Shamil, Zara, and Zaina. Or I'll put Zaina, you and Farah in a separate breakout room so she can help you, okay?
Okay, wait.
Okay. So just tell Farah that Samanti said to help me, okay? Okay, Ryan, what is your lesson? If you could please share the screen so I can check.